Hello, welcome back. So continuing with my geometry students, this is another construction video. If you have not watched the first construction video, constructing two lines that are perpendicular to each other, pause this video, go look in the comments, there's a link to it, go watch it first. All right, now assuming that you've watched that video, today we're going to learn not only how to construct any two perpendicular lines, but how to take a line and a point and construct the line that is perpendicular to that line through that point. All right, so let me share a screen and here we go. Okay, so here we have our compass again. So to start, I am going to use my straight edge and construct a line. And then I'm gonna pick a point, any old point. All right, so what I want to do is I want to construct a line perpendicular to this one that passes through the point. So here's how I go. I start by making this point the center of a circle. So I put it in my compass and I pick any old point in my compass and I construct the circle that has this as its center. Now my line didn't make it all the way through because of the radius of circle I chose. So I'm just going to take my straight edge and I'm going to extend that line so that it does. All right, and now this should look kind of similar to the first video. We're going to go ahead and we're going to note the end points of that line. And now we're going to proceed the same way we did before. We're going to make one of the endpoints the new center of the circle. And I'm going to find that other endpoint in my compass. And I'm going to create the arc that comes out of there. Now I'm going to do it again the reverse way. I'm going to find the endpoint as my center. I'm going to locate the other endpoint in my compass and create that arc. And where those two intersect, as we know, it takes 2 points to define a line. So I'm going to take my straight edge and I'm going to use it to connect those 2 points. And then I'm going to draw the line through those. And I have just constructed a perpendicular to this line through this point. Could have been a little bit better through that point if I'd managed my straight edge better. All right, but that's the concept. All right, let's review. You've got your line, you've got your point. You take this point as the center of a circle, any old circle. You take your compass and you create your circle. Having done that, you mark your 2 endpoints, and now you're off to the races just like you did before. This endpoint is now the circle. You grab this other endpoint and whoop, create that arc. Grab this endpoint, locate your endpoint here, and whoop, create that arc. The foof is very important. If you're not saying foof out loud in your house, please start doing so. Then we're going to mark the place they intersect. We're going to connect them with our straight edge, and we have just constructed perpendicular lines through a point. All right, so now you know 2 different constructions, and you're set up now to do all kinds of things. Next up is going to be drawing altitudes. All right, so take a look in the comments for when that video is live and click on that and keep learning how to construct. And as always, keep mathing.